Stranded and stuck with no easy way out, many Portland drivers decided the best course of action would be to abandon their cars Wednesday night.
Pretty frustrating because, nobody knew that I was going to snow this much.
I had to stop at the red light behind cars and I couldn't keep moving. And if I couldn't keep moving, then I was stuck. I needed the momentum.
By Thursday afternoon, crews were in full swing to address the icy streets. Commissioner Minx Maps explains.
We've been out all day. We have plowed about a third of the city, plowed or treated about a third of the city. We still got more work to do, but we're making incredible progress. I'll tell you, one of the real challenges for us right now are the cars that have been left about in the streets. So we've been waiting to get those vehicles off the road.
PBOT leaders announced Thursday people who left their vehicles parked legally at meters and other public parking spots will not need to worry about overstaying time limits until midday Saturday. Plus, the Bureau will waive parking citations for illegally parked cars.
If you've abandoned your car in a dangerous place, I encourage you to do everything you can to move it to a safer space.
However, if your car does get towed before you can get back to it, what do? The city partners with an online platform called Auto Return to help speed up the process of finding your vehicle after a tow.
It's a service that provides this clearinghouse of information on vehicles that were towed, and they're doing the intake of these orders across ODOT, PBOT, police, a variety of agencies.
Although PBOT won't cite owners for parking violations, you will be responsible for the towing fees. That also goes for cars towed from ODOT-managed roads. Local tow truck drivers told KGW despite nonstop calls Thursday to retrieve personal vehicles, the current focus remains on clearing blocked roads. They'll shift gears Friday or Saturday to tow more cars as conditions improve.
Odds are, given the high number of vehicles that were abandoned, not only on city streets, but on state highways and state freeways, it could take a while for the tow trucks to get to your vehicle.
There's a link on the city's website to get to Auto Return, and we'll have a link to that and more towing information on kgw.com. We can tell you there are still about 25 roads closed throughout Portland tonight. Most are shut down because of cars blocking travel. Brittany?